Okay, for our ongoing class, we're still working on Silent Night as a song by ear, and you guys are coming up with such great ideas. I was going to stick to chords, but we've had some chord melody ideas here. I just want to run with this one because I think it's really accessible to almost all of you. And this comes to us from Nancy. Nancy, thank you so much. And it's looking like this. Let's see. Silent night. Now, I'm just going to backpedal a little bit. We're hitting a G note, an A note, G. Am I doing that right? And an E, D, E. G, A, G, E. So we're starting on the 10th fret, going to the 12th fret, 10th fret, and then the 7th fret. Da, 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 da. If you want to slide one finger to do that, watch over here. 10th fret, da, 12th fret, 10th, 7th. And because we're playing these notes while the harmony is a C chord, we can play all four strings because the other three strings are part of the C chord. Do you hear that? Now, Nancy has a lot of experience finger picking really complex stuff. So she used a more efficient technique to grab those notes. And what she did, she placed her index finger on the 7th fret. Now, again, all this is on the A string. And that sort of was an anchor, but not where we started the lick. Let me just make sure we're all muted here. It's not where we start, not the lick, the melody, but it's going to be the foundation of the movement with the left hand. I'm going to use my ring finger to press in on the 10th fret. And I'm holding my index finger in place. Baby finger to the 12th fret. And then I release my ring finger and I come to that anchor finger that's holding down the A string in the 7th fret. Let's try this together. It's just another idea, another technique idea. See how it works with you. 2, 3. 2, 3. Let's do it again. Or you can block chord it. Or you can arpeggiate that block chord doing this. Watch my right hand. Here's the block chord where we play all four strings at the same time. If I arpeggiate it, this is a little technique that you just need to work on. You can work on it in the air. I'm going so I'm arpeggiating four notes in one beat. 1, 2. I really like to do this because I can then accent the actual melody note. So you can use your thumb. Lots of different ways to do that. And then we would go to that's actually a little bit easier. After we've done Nancy's way of doing this melody, see, sorry. 2, 3. 2, 3. Now I'm doing what looks like a D chord shape in the 5th fret on the bottom 3 strings on the C, E, and A string. It's like a D minor 7. And we've got our melody line hanging in on that A string. And then we just play a G7. And then you guys can try to find the rest of that. But we are starting up here in the dusty frets. I love that. You know what I think I'm doing? I'm not going to use that efficient fingering because it's throwing my brain into overdrive here. I'm just going to use my index finger. 10th fret, 12th, slide to the 7th, 4, 2, 2, 3. And then the rest is homework for you. See what you can